Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn everything about Apify, what it is, how it works, how to use it with N8N, and what things like actors, free credits, RAM, community plans, and trials really mean, all in super simple language. So, let's get started. Let's go to part 1. What is Apify? Apify is like a cloud robot for the web. It can visit websites, collect data such as posts, prices, or reviews, and even automate actions like logging in or clicking buttons. Basically, Apify helps you do web automation and data scraping without writing much code. Think of it as your personal online assistant that never gets tired. Now let's cover part 2. Why use Apify? Apify saves time because everything runs in the cloud. You don't need to keep your laptop on, install servers, or manage background scripts. It can handle JavaScript-heavy websites, schedule runs daily or weekly, and provide clean structured data in JSON or CSV formats. It also connects easily with other automation tools like N8N, Make, and Zapier. Whether you're a developer, a marketer, or just someone who wants to automate repetitive web tasks, Apify is made for you. Let's move to part 3, when to use Apify. You should use Apify when you want to collect data automatically from websites, when you need to repeat browser actions daily, or when you want to build a complete automation workflow. It's best avoided for very simple static pages that can be handled by small scripts, or for sites that don't allow scraping or automation. Now let's talk about part 4, free credits and pricing. When you sign up on apify.com, you get $5 in free credits every month automatically, and without adding a credit card. That's enough to run smaller actors or test new automation ideas. If you need more usage, you can upgrade to a pay-as-you-go plan, a team plan, or join the community plan where developers can earn credits by sharing their actors. Let's dive in part 5, RAM, runtime, and usage. Every actor run in Apify uses RAM and runtime minutes. That's what your credits pay for. RAM means how much memory or computing power your actor needs. Runtime means how long your actor runs. A smaller task might use 256 megabytes of RAM and cost very little, while a large, heavy actor might use 4 gigabytes and cost more. Apify automatically monitors this for you. Inside your console, under the Runs tab, you can check how much RAM was used, how long it took, and how many credits it consumed. If your run takes too long or needs more resources than your current plan, Apify will safely stop it and show you a message. This keeps you in full control of your usage and prevents overspending. Let's continue with part 6. What are actors? Actors are the real workers in Apify. They are small apps or bots that perform a single job. Each actor focuses on one task, like scraping Instagram Reels, extracting LinkedIn profiles, or tracking product prices on Amazon. You can use existing actors from the Apify store, or create your own using JavaScript or Python. Creating your own actor lets you decide exactly what the bot does, what website it visits, what data it collects, and how the results are stored. Actors can be private, which means only you can access them, or public, which means anyone can use them through the Apify store. Let's go deeper in part 7. Renting or using community actors. Apify has an actor store that works just like an app store. You can search, browse, and instantly run any public actor. Some actors are free to use, while others are paid. You rent them using your credits. Apify shows the estimated RAM and runtime cost before you start a run, so you always know what to expect. To try one, go to the Apify console and open the actors page. Pick an actor, such as the Instagram hashtag scraper, fill in the input details, click on Start, and wait until it finishes. After that, open your dataset and view or download the results. Now let's move to Part 8, Community and Managed Actors. Apify has a community program where developers around the world create and publish their own actors. You can use these actors directly in your account, and when you do, the developer earns credits. Apify also maintains a set of official actors called Managed by Apify. These are built and maintained by the Apify team itself, which means they're stable and frequently updated. So when you see Managed by Community, it means it was built by an independent developer. And when you see Managed by Apify, it means it's an official, verified, and reliable actor. Next, Part 9, Trial and Upgrades. If you reach the usage limit on your free plan, or try to run a large actor that needs more RAM, Apify may show a message saying, you need to start a free trial or upgrade. Click Start Free Trial to unlock temporary higher RAM and runtime for testing bigger actors. Once your trial ends, you can either stay on the free plan or move to a pay-as-you-go plan. Now Part 10, Apify Console Overview. When you log into Apify, you'll see the main dashboard, called the Apify Console. It has different sections. Actors, a list of your bots and public actors. Runs, a history of all your runs with RAM usage and logs. Storage, where datasets and key value stores are saved. Integrations to connect Apify with N8N, Make, or Zapier. Settings and integrations, where your API token is located. Usage and billing, where you can check your credits and remaining balance. This is your control center for everything you do on Apify. Finally, Part 14, Quick Recap. Apify is a platform for web automation and scraping. Actors are small bots that perform specific tasks. You get $5 of free credit every month automatically. RAM and runtime decide how much each run costs. Community actors are created by developers around the world. Managed by Apify means official and maintained. Trials give you extra resources for testing. And connecting Apify with N8N makes your automation seamless and powerful. That's it for today.